Catch. Yeah,
Man.
good catch. Now. Okay, so dear, we are playing a game, and in the game, what we are doing, we are trying to speak on a topic, and topic is very simple. Topic is that what you wore today. Okay, so we are just speaking on it. Okay, and we are trying to speak on that topic. Okay, so some students have already like spoken on the topic, but now I will pass this ball, and where this ball go, you will tell about your speech. Okay, so yes, be careful. Okay, so I want to give, please catch, please look at here, why am I looking at there? Okay, yes, so catch the ball. Yes, good catcher. Now you can speak. Clap for now you can speak. Keep.
Myself Payal, and today I want to say something on what did I wear today. So firstly I wear a purple kurti and a black pant and maroon shoes and a brown shawl, and I wear a black thread in my right leg and a black rubber in my hair. So I bought this kurti on last Friday from a shop, and this pant I bought also from shop. And price of kurti is about 900, and the pant cost was 1000. And I bought both of this from Monday market, and this market in Nazafgarh. So and this shoes is my mother shoes, and this shawl was mine, but it's bought by my mom. So I don't know the cost, and this shawl was my mom bought from Rohtak market, and it was in Haryana.
It is in Haryana.
It is in Haryana.
Yes.
Uh,
What about the branded color? What was the cost? When did you purchase, and where did you purchase?
and so I I wear not it's my clothes are not branded, but it's very comfortable for me, and I like it and feel very special because I wore this kurti today first time, and I don't wear any accessories or ornaments. I don't like it, and I feel burden on my body, and I can't handle this little things, and like bracelets. I don't like this jewelry, gold and silver
You
color.
don't like jewelry?
No. So I feel that
Husband will be happy. Husband will be.
I feel that I want if
Future
I like ring. If I want to wear ring, so I feel I wear on my engagement, and that's give by my husband, future husband. So I wear all these thing by after my marriage, but little, very small. Okay, so done.
Like what I.
That is all about I wear today. What I wear today.
What I wear. Very good. Clap for her. Pass the ball. Pass the ball. Yes. Says catch. Yeah.
Man.
Good catch. Now, ma'am, tell me about what you wear today.
I am wear today jeans, shirt, and spectacles. I bought it from Vegas Mall, and the cost of my spectacles was 2500, and the color of my slipper is beige color,
Okay.
and I purchased it from local market.
Slippers.
Yes, sir.
So I have purchased from local market. Yes.
Yes,
Say everything.
and the cost of this slipper was 250,
Okay.
and this spectacles is branded,
Okay.
and it's called from Lenskart,
Okay.
and that's it.
And yes, have you worn any kinds of thread?
No,
No. So about your sweater and like this, from where did you purchase this thing?
this jeans I bought it from Flipkart,
Okay.
and also this sweater I bought it from Everything is bought it from
Most of the
Flip.
time
I ordered by Flipkart.
I ordered from Flipkart.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or what is the cost usually? What was the cost?
The cost was the jeans was 100 1000
Approx 1,000.
approx 1000,
Okay.
and the sweatshirt is uh,
Because I don't know the exact idea, but it
yes,
may be.
yeah,
It
maybe.
say
I don't know
the
what was
exact
the
idea.
price of this sweatshirt,
Okay.
and that's it. Today I'm wore these things.
Great.
Thank you.
Clap for her. Pass the ball. Now only three people. Okay, yes.
Thank you, sir.
So I want to give. Oh, she's a good catcher. Clap for her. Now you can speak. Yes. Pass the mic. Huh? You can speak. Yes.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kiran Upreti. What I wore today? I wore today sari, sweater, and slippers, and chuda.
She's thinking that today I should wear rubber clothes. So I need not to speak more. Okay.
Chuda and gold earrings and
Okay.
gold mangasut
Okay.
and everything.
Okay. Now tell me about colors, brand, everything.
My sari color is orange, and my sweater color is ocean color,
Okay. Ocean color. Okay.
and my slipper color is red,
Okay.
and my chuda color is maroon.
Maroon. Okay. And what was the cost and everything?
All about not branded, and gold earring is branded, and mangasut is branded gold.
Okay.
And
From where
my
did you purchase?
earring gifted my mother-in-law
By
mother-in-law, and my mangasut gifted my husband
by husband.
by husband.
It is gifted.
Eh,
Given. It is given or gifted.
It is gifted my.
It
It
is
is given my husband
by
my husband,
Okay.
and my earring gifted my mother-in-law,
Okay.
and after marriage, sorry, before marriage, my mom chuda,
Okay.
and my slippers purchased my father
Okay.
before marriage.
It is purchased by
It is my father. It is my purchase. My slipper purchased my father before marriage,
Okay.
and before marriage, my gifted my mother in sari. My mother has gifted my sweaters.
Okay. That is all about me.
That is all about me.
Thanks. Very good. Clap for her. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Yes, ma'am.